So let me clear this string and then try this command again. I think it has to be the 0th element. Let's try again. Awesome. That part worked. Now let's just make sure that the search button is going to work as well. So what I can do is grab this here, paste that in the immediate window, and then run a search. And it execute. I got a no such element exception because there's no such element inside of this original search box that we tried to find. So that kind of defeated the purpose. I shouldn't have executed that statement that took me into this code, because now you can see I have to stop and restart my test. I should have been executing driver.findElement commands here to be able to test that out, but you saw the advantage of it, right? So anyways, let me fix this problem. I think it's pretty easy to fix. What I'm gonna do is use this code right here to find a search form. Okay, so now we're finding the search form just like before. And now using the search form, we can find the element that has the submit ID button. Let's debug again and see if this works. So these are the statements that I should be executing in the immediate window. Let's put that in there. Put our Firefox to the side. Fill out this one with Selenium, because we already know that works. And then hit enter, and now it should search. Oh, and of course search form doesn't exist because we're not in the right context yet. So let me step into the object repository. There we go. Let's try that. And that worked. It returned the element. Let's see if it's going to click. Fantastic. And there it is. You guys saw that it worked, right? Let me go back. Let me clear this, and we can actually finish executing the test and knowing that it's going to work. So I'm just gonna step over this. It's going to type the Selenium string, and then it's gonna click the button. Fantastic. Everything was successful. We can continue stepping through, and then it's gonna assert that we're not on the page, which we're not. And so now our test is successfully going to finish. If we go back here, you'll see a little green check mark, and the test was successful. So that was another test. The point of me again showing you the immediate window was to show you how to debug element locators at runtime without needing to rerun your code. It's extremely frustrating when I see automation engineers constantly rerunning the tests in order to test their locators. You don't need to do that. Debug it at runtime, figure out how the locator is supposed to be, then replace it, and then your test is going to work. It'll save you tons of time.